How's it going, everybody? It's Mike Moo here. I have an update. My GT2 is on its way back to me. It makes it approximately 2 weeks since I had the scooter picked up. So the scooter got picked up from me here in Sunnyvale. It got sent over to a facility, maybe in Modesto or somewhere in Milpitas, I forget where they packed it up, crated it up, boxed it up, sent it all the way down to Chino, California, where apparently Segway is processing these, or they're repairing them. I don't know which. So I have one that is coming back to me on Wednesday. I have no word or note on what they found was wrong with my Segway GT2. If you were interested in details of what happened to my Segway GT2, check out my other videos about this exact topic. I only know that they confirmed that my scooter is now in SFO. So the SFO team is in contact with another logistics company who will then pick up my scooter from SFO and deliver it to me in 2 days, which is really approximately 2 weeks after they had picked up my scooter for repair or replacement, etc. So it's coming back on Wednesday. I will keep everybody in the loop on exactly what happened, whether or not they repaired it, refurbished it, or just straight up just sent me a brand new one. I think it'll be very apparent once I get it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.